It's easy to grow, but a lot of people don't know when to harvest these cucumbers. When they start getting like this, when they start getting yellow, you took too long. I took too long to pick this one. You want to pick it right away. You don't want the plant to fully get mature, or else it'll stop producing fruits. But this one, we have to pick this one right away because it's ready. Give it a little twist. It come right off. See? Yellow. You don't want it to be yellow. You want it to be like this baby right here. A little twist. This one is perfect. We have another one over here. One of the most easiest thing to grow, right in your own backyard. We have a big one here. So it's starting to get yellow, but this one is perfect. We have 4. Let me just make sure there's no more floating around. We have some smaller ones, but I don't want to pick those. I want the plants to keep producing. As you can see, there's still flowers everywhere. Everywhere. There's more over here. There's more in the cucumber, see? I had to put this little stake here because the tree just keeps on growing. And I want it to grow upwards, not downwards. And there's flower on the tree everywhere. But for today, we have 4 beautiful cucumbers. I'm gonna make a salad out of these. Perfect for salad.
Hey, everyone is picking blueberries.
And the bowl.
I got one.
And we've been picking blueberries all season long.
No, son. I don't pick the dirty ones.
Don't pick the green ones, okay, girls?
Okay.
Only pick the blue ones.
I'm picking the blue ones. Hey!
I found one.
I found one too. Look.
Watch it.
Look,
I found a blue one.
my blueberry.
Let me help. Let me kill it. You guys can't pick green ones. Yeah, you're good now.
Thank you. You gotta get off my bowl.
Master picked most of the blueberries already.
Daddy.
Hey, I move fast. Yeah, but I just got here. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, too bad. Don't worry, we have to share. I only got one. Look at that bowl. Yeah. Oh, no, you got yourself your...
I look bee.
Wow, there's a bumblebee.
That's a wonderful blackberry bush. In about a week or 2 weeks, it'll be ready.
See the bumblebee, Daddy?
Yeah.
Guys, look. See him?
See my blueberries over here. Here you go, Charlotte.
They're mine.
You can put it in.
No.
Yummy.
Master got a raspberry.
She
Good job, Master.
Let me see.
I want a raspberry.
Wow, check out the peaches. They're coming along really good. They'll soon be ready. The blackberry tree bush.
Red. Can I pick one, Daddy? This one is ready or not?
No, it's not ready.
Oh.
You gotta wait, okay?
I don't think you barely even see.
I want to pick one. I want to pick this one.
It's like I can't even see in there. You can't pick them yet. They're not black. They're not black. You can't pick them. Don't pick them. They're not black yet. They have to be black.
Yeah. They don't
That's
have
the
to be
name.
black. They have to be red.
Oh, look.
What? Give me one.
They're not done yet. They're not done yet, guys.
Get it. Don't destroy the plant. There you go. Go. You got it. Show it to Trent. Nice. Chelsea turn. Come on, let's find you a strawberry. Can you see one? Good. It's a smaller one, but hey, take that one over there. Take this one. You got it. There you go. That we could call a strawberry surprise. The best part about growing these cucumbers is eating them. Look at that.
Wow, Daddy, you're the best cucumber.
Thank you. Dig in, guys. This is delicious.
This cucumber I ever tasted.
Try one, camera girl.
It's good. Tastes like a cucumber.
It is a cucumber.
True.
You don't like it? It's tasty. Right, Charlotte?
No.
Go get your strawberry.
This?
Yeah. You like that?